Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to view your full Amazon order history. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The quickest way to see what you've bought recently is right from the Amazon homepage. First, make sure you are logged into your Amazon account on your PC. Look at the top right corner of the page for the button that says Returns and Orders and give that a click. You will land immediately on the Your Orders page, which defaults to showing you everything you've bought in the last 3 months. From here, you can track packages, buy items again, or start a return. But what if you need to find something you bought 1 year ago or even further back? Amazon hides these to keep the page clean, but they are easy to find. On that same Your Orders page, look for the drop-down menu near the top that usually says Past 3 months. Click that menu to open a list of options. You can select a specific year from the list to see everything you bought during that time. Alternatively, use the search bar right next to it to type in the name of the product if you can't remember when you bought it. And that's it. You now know how to track down every single thing you've ever ordered on Amazon. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.